Hi, my name is Joann Abrahamsen, and on Saturday, I'm hosting a workshop called Inductions, Inductions, Inductions. How many inductions do you know? 1, 2, 5? Come to my workshop and find out that if you've already hypnotized a client before, you know an instant induction. Come to my workshop and learn my own special induction that I've called the Abrahamsen induction. The beauty of this induction is that it puts a client into hypnosis from 3 to 5 minutes, deepens the client, and tests the client for hypnosis. And the beauty of that induction is the client doesn't even know they're being hypnotized. Improve those inductions that you already know. Discover new induction variations, including rapid inductions, instant inductions, Ericksonian inductions, and a nonverbal induction. Join me for this workshop, and I promise you we'll have some fun.